Question is that refer the following views, that is front view and top view, and draw isometric view from these given views. Question is draw isometric view from this given views. So here in our question, front view is given and top view is given, and we know that front view having dimensions length and height, and in top view we are getting length and width. Correct? So observe these views carefully in your question paper. And one thing you have to be noted that position of this O. This position of O is important. If it is given right side, then here you have to draw the front view, or you have to insert this front view in the left plane. We have to draw isometric view, means whatever dimension given in the view, same dimension you have to take. To draw 3D object. Isometric view means we have to draw object, 3D object. So, if position of O is left side, let us say, if it is given, then this front view will be inserted in right plane. So, to start with isometric, what you have to do? First you draw one simple small horizontal line. Then mark point O on this line. After that, take angle protector. Put this angle protector on this point O, and then mark angle 30 degree towards right, 30 degree towards left, and one straight line, vertical line, that is at an angle of 90. These are called as isometric axis. And this is required to create the cube, isometric cube, and this will create the plane. So this is left plane, let us say this is right plane, and whatever plane you are getting, that is the top plane. So we have to start, before starting, I will just create the cube, okay, at any length. Now I have created this cube, okay. Cube of any length you can create, but for simplicity I have used this dimension, whatever dimension. So I told you now O is towards right, O is towards right. So this front view you have to insert in left plane. So here length is 65 and height is also 65, and you can see top view length is same, length is 65 and width is how much? 40. So width is 40. So I have taken 40 here, and I have created top plane also. So 65, then 40, 40. Automatically other plane, that is side view, will come here. You can see the side view in this plane. Now we have to start. So for understanding, you can do numbering if you want to give. But in solution or in the exam, don't give numbering. This is for just understanding. So let us say this is 0. This is not 0. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again 6. Now let us say 4, same 0. Stop 6, again 4. So now it is clear that this front view is inserted in left view, correct? And we have to start from O. You have to start from O. That's why O is given. Understood now? Importance of O. Now we have to start. What is the length? O to 1. O to 1 is, what is the length? 65. So from O, take 65 mm. This is my point number 1. Correct? Up to here. Then 1 to 2. How much? Again height is 65. So whatever line now I am drawing, this line is 65 and this line is parallel to this vertical axis. This is very important. This line is parallel to this vertical axis. Now excess part you can remove. This is just alternating tube you have taken. This you can remove. Correct? Now this is my point number 2. Then 2 to 3. How much? 20. Then you have to come this way. So this is how much? 20 mm. This line is parallel to this. Understood? Next, this point number is 3. Next, 3 to 4. Again coming downward. So how much it is? Total 65. This is 20. 65 minus 20. How much? 45. So 3 to 4. How much? 45. And then 4 to 5. This is my point number 4. 4 to 5 is how much? This is 65 again 20. So this is also 45. I can put here. This is my point number 5. And 5 to again O. That is how much? 20. So this way I have inserted my front view in this plane, and this is like this. Okay. Now see, imagination is more important. Now front view is like this. Okay. Then top view is given. So top view will come in which plane? Top plane. So in top plane you have to insert this top view as it is properly. Understood? Now another thing you have to keep in your mind is whatever vertical lines are there, this line must be parallel to this vertical axis. And whatever these lines are there, this line is parallel to this line, or whatever this line is parallel to this axis, this line is also parallel to this axis. If you draw here lines, whatever lines you can draw here, this is parallel to this axis. This you have to keep in mind. Don't draw horizontal straighter. Okay. Next we have to put is our top view in the top plane. So how to put top view? Now it is given. Now this is the length. So length is same. Length is like this. Correct or no? And width you are getting like this. Here width you are getting. So what is the width? How much? Height is, sorry, width is 40. So width I am getting 40. Width you have to show here like this. And if you draw the lines, this line is parallel to this axis. Okay. So first we will start from here. Let us see. So this to this, how much? First line 40. So from 2 you have to draw a line which is parallel to this vertical axis. From this to this, how much? Step by step we are going. From this point to this point, what is the length? 20. Take 20. Now you have to come here this way. This is 20. Then from this point to this point, how much? 40. Again width. So come this side. Like this. Clear? Then this part you can see. So you have to draw vertical, and now here imagination plays an important role. This part is you can find here in this plane. Somewhere here it is coming this part, this block, this remaining block, and you are getting. If you draw vertical, then you are getting side view. Understand? Step by step. Now this part I am getting where this plane, top plane. So how to draw this top plane? So what you have to do? You have to draw from this point width. From point number 4 you have to draw width. How much? Width is how much? 40. This line is parallel to this axis. So take with the help of protractor properly. Join this. Lines. Understood? This is the part of side view. Okay. But we have to create this part. Now I have created. Now this I have to complete. How to complete? Then again I have to take 40 here from this point. Then I have to join this. This is my top view. So I have inserted the top view. Once again, just I am making dark. This way. If you see carefully, if you observe this object from the top, you are getting this space, correct or not? And you are also getting this space, correct or not? Now, unnecessary part I can remove. So, I have to remove it. So, are you getting? Now, this space and this space. So, in top view, I am getting this space, correct? So, here, this is the face and this is the remaining face. Okay, now this is my front view. I am getting front view as it is here, and another view is remaining, that is side view. Now we are drawn in top plane, so complete the side view. So automatically side view will be here, and just you have to complete this object like this. Then here side view you are getting like this. In this case, side view you are getting like this. Correct or not? This face and this face, you are getting side view, right hand side view. You are getting right hand side view. Understood? This way you have to draw the isometric. Now you have to give the way you have to give the dimension. Dimension must be proper. Give some more space. Dimension must be upper dimension line. This dimension line is parallel to this. This dimension line is parallel to this. This dimension line is parallel to this. And this dimension line is parallel to this. This is also parallel to this particular line. This way you have to do the dimension. And with the help of given views, now we have completed the isometric of the given views. Understood?